corners where the fire still burn, where truth walk barefoot and pain wear a crown we ride. Not clean but cleansed. Oh, oh. These concrete psalms we sing, from broken roads where the wounded cling, to the scars redemption bring. Still we rise, still we rise. Sunlight fall on the ghetto wall. Hear the children when they call. From the ashes we stand tall. Still we rise, still we rise. Mama cry but she never fold. Life too hard but her heart stay gold. Stories written never told, in the streets where the nights feel cold. Young boy learn from the cracks and pain. Trust is rare like a drop of rain. Friends turn foes for a slice of gain. Still he walk with a righteous aim. Shoes worn out but the soul stay clean. Chasing hope in a ruthless scene. Every loss make the vision keen. Now he knows what survival mean. No silver spoon, just a will to fight. Guided by the truth in your life. Through the darkness, find what's right. Oh, oh. These concrete psalms we sing, from broken roads where the wounded cling, through the scars redemption bring. Still we rise, still we rise. Them want we fall but we not go bow. System pressure still we stand firm now. Babylon tricks we don't see how. Truth we carry, we speak it loud. Loyalty tested in a fireplace. Fake friend lost in the smoky haze. Real ones shine through the darkest days. Walk straight path in a crooked maze. Police siren on the midnight run. Another youth with a loaded gun. Title spin but we overcome. Knowledge rise like the morning sun. Wash away the pain in the river flow. Every sinner got a chance to grow. From the depths let the healing show. Jah forgive and we let go. Oh, these concrete songs we sing, from broken roads where the wounded cling, through the scars redemption bring. Still we rise, still we rise. Sunlight fall on the ghetto wall. Hear the children when they call. From the ashes we stand tall. Still we rise, still we rise. Street teach what no school can show. But redemption, that's a road you choose. Stay real, stay wise.